Parlour Tricks. Previously Lily and the Parlour Tricks are a pop band from New York City. Originally composed of Lily Cato, lead vocalist and songwriter, Darah, Golub and Morgane Hollowell, vocals, Angelo Spagnolo, guitar, Brian Kesley, bass and synth, and Terry Moore, drums. The band met in 2009 while studying at the New School for Jazz and Contemporary Music. They cite diverse musical influences including Nine Inch Nails, the Andrews Sisters, and Francis and the Lights, and lyrical inspiration including the novel The Goldfinch by Donna Tartt. The band were named Best Pop Band in New York for 2014 by The Village Voice, and have performed at Bonnaroo, SXSW, Summerfest, and the CMJ and CBGB Festivals. As of March 2016 they are touring North America with Electric Six. Discography. Albums. 2015. Broken Hearts, Bones. Produced by Emery Dobbins. Singles. 2015. Love Songs, Requiem. 2015. The Storm. Official homepage. Parlour Tricks SoundCloud channel. Parlour Tricks on Twitter. Parlour Tricks page at Bar None Records.